Welcome back. Now we shall look at the major crops that are grown in our country. Different crops provide us with food and raw materials for goods. We get cotton for clothing, wood for shelter and fuel, plants and roots for medicines and materials for biofuels. It also provides us incomes and livelihoods. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of our country depending upon the variations in soil, climate and cultivation practices. First of all, let us focus on the major food grains grown in our country. Rice is the most important cereal crop. It is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world. China is the largest rice producer. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity. Rice is the basic food crop and being a tropical plant, it flourishes comfortably in hot and humid climate. Rice is mainly grown in rain-fed areas that receive heavy annual rainfall. That is why it is fundamentally a kharif crop in India. Let us see the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. As I said earlier, it requires hot and humid climate for cultivation of rice crop. High temperature above 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter are favorable for the growth of rice. In areas with less rainfall, it grows with the help of canal irrigation and tube wells. Rich alluvial soil is the best for rice cultivation. Abundant rainfall or good water supply is necessary during the earlier part of its growing season. Plains of North and Northeastern India, coastal areas and the delta regions are ideal for rice cultivation. Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra are some of the most important rice growing regions. These regions provide all the favorable conditions for the growth of rice or paddy. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. This rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly distributed during the growing season. Ganga Satluj Plain and the black soil region of Deccan are the two important wheat growing zones in the country. Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other rabi crops. Millets, jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. These are known as coarse grains and have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and roughage. Coarse grains are rich in essential amino acids and protein as well as vitamins and minerals and fibers. Compared to rice and wheat flour, coarse grains have lower content of carbohydrates and higher content of dietary fibers that helps to ensure proper functioning of the digestive system. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas. It is mainly produced in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Bajra. Bajra grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi. Ragi is a crop of dry regions. It grows well on red, black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soils. Major ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize is a kharif crop. It requires temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and grows well in old alluvial soil. It is used both as a food and fodder. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Use of modern inputs such as high-yielding seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have helped to increase the production of maize. Pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Pulses are the major source of protein, especially in a vegetarian diet. Major pulses grown in India are arhar, urad, moong, Masoor or a split red lentil, peas and gram. Pigeon pea is commonly known as arhar dal or split tuar dal. It has its origins in the eastern parts of peninsular India. It is both a food crop and a cover crop. Arhar, black gram, green gram, moth beans, horse gram are the major kharif pulses. Rabi or summer season pulses are Bengal gram, lentil and field pea. Pulses are mostly grown in rotation with other crops so that the soil restores fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Nitrogen is so vital for the growth and development of the plants. It is a major component of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the compound by which plants use sunlight energy to produce sugars from water and carbon dioxide. It is also a major component of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Major pulse producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka. What are the food crops other than grains that are grown in our country? Let us see. Sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climates with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and annual rainfall between 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter. It can be grown on a variety of soils. Sugarcane needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. Planting, tending and harvesting sugarcane is labor intensive and cane cutting is a tough physical operation. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. Sugarcane is the main source of sugar, gur, khansari and molasses. Molasses is the dark sweet syrupy byproduct made during the extraction of sugars from sugarcane and sugar beets. Molasses is used in baked goods, baked beans, barbecue sauce and other dishes that benefit from its dense sweetness. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana. Oil seeds. India is the largest producer of oil seeds in the world. In India, 12% of the total cropped area is under oil seed production. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, linseed, mustard, sesame, castor seeds, coconut, soya bean, cottonseed and sunflower are the main oil seeds. And groundnut it is a kharif crop. Groundnut accounts for half of the major oil seeds produced in India. Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnuts. Linseed and mustard are rabi crops. Sesame is a kharif crop in the north and rabi crop in South India. Castor seeds is grown as both rabi and kharif crop. Coconut, soya bean, cottonseed and sunflower are other oil seeds. Most of these are edible and used as cooking oil. Some are also used as raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Tea is an important beverage crop introduced by the British in India. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates. Tea plants require deep and fertile, well-drained soil which is rich in humus and organic matter. Tea bushes require warm and moist, frost-free climate all through the year. Tea is a labor-intensive industry because it requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. The tea leaves have to be plucked by tender hands like that of women. It is a tedious work to pluck 2 leaves and 1 bud at a time. Tea leaves are processed within the tea garden to restore its freshness. Major tea producing states are Assam, hills of Darjeeling, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Because of its long growing season and generous rainfall, Assam is one of the most prolific tea producing regions in the world. India is the second largest producer of tea after China. Coffee. Indian coffee is known in the world for its good quality. Yemen coffee is produced in India and this variety of coffee is in great demand all over the world. Its cultivation was initially introduced on the Baba Budan hills and now it is confined to the Nilgiri in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Horticulture crops. The practice of growing flowers, fruits and vegetables is known as horticulture. India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. Mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Cherrapunchi in Meghalaya. Bananas of Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and guava of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Pineapples of Meghalaya, grapes of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Apples, pears, apricots and walnuts of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are in great demand. India produces about 13% of the world's vegetables. It's an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. Next comes non-food crops. Non-food crops are also called as industrial crops. It's a crop grown to produce goods for manufacturing rather than food for consumption. For example, rubber, fibers like cotton, jute and sericulture etc. Rubber is an equatorial crop. It requires a moist and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeter and temperature above 25 degrees Celsius. It is an important industrial raw material. Rubber is mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Fibers, cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the 4 major fiber crops. Cotton is a kharif crop. It requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshine for its growth. Cotton grows well in black cotton soil of the Deccan Plateau. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Jute. Jute is known as the golden fiber. It has gained its name as golden fiber due to its shiny brown color. It is most affordable natural fiber and is 100% biodegradable. It grows well on well-drained fertile soils in the floodplains. High temperature is required for its growth. It is used in making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn and carpets. Major jute producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha and Meghalaya. Cotton, jute, hemp and natural silk are the four major fiber crops. Cotton, jute and hemp are grown in the soil. Natural silk is obtained from cocoons of the silkworms fed on green leaves. Rearing of silkworms for the production of silk fiber is known as sericulture. We have discussed about the types of farming and the major food grains that are grown in India. The land under cultivation of food crops has got reduced day by day. Can you imagine its consequences? The growing population is the major cause for a decline in the land under cultivation. A declining area of land under cultivation coupled with increasing population can lead to serious food grain shortages. This would in turn increase imports of food grains. It will cause the economy to reel under huge debts. We have been looking at the different types of crops grown in our country. If you have any doubt from these topics, please feel free to drop it in the comment box. I shall try to come up with a solution for your doubts at the earliest. Next, we need to look at the technological and institutional reforms taken place in agriculture and contribution of agriculture to the development of national economy. We shall look into it in the next session. We will also come up with chapter-wise important questions with its solutions in the past paper analysis. Please subscribe the channel to be notified of the new videos. Keep watching. Thank you.